of Oreos. I mean, what's more American than Oreos, except that I'm not sure if they're made in America anymore. But anyway, that's beside the point. Besides the point. What I'm going to do here is going to do a teensy-weensy unboxing of the Raspberry Pi Zero W. Now this, strangely enough, is not the most powerful Raspberry Pi, but it is my favorite Raspberry Pi. I was even able to make a mini console using this thing, and I can't believe that it has the performance to be able to run some of the old PS2 games on it. So there you go. This little tiny thing is a microcomputer that allows you to do all kinds of stuff. And because it is a Raspberry Pi Zero W, it has wireless on it. Unbelievable. Look how small it is.
Likey